All right, so our next step from here is that we have our pan nice and heated. Threw probably just a pinch of butter in there just to kind of coat the outer edges. The next thing we're gonna do, we have some walnuts right here that we're gonna candy. Okay, so we have a little bit of brown sugar, and we're just gonna pop these in the pan right here for a moment or two. Just kind of get those going, get that flavor to open up on these. Grab our tongs, kind of give them a light little stir. Actually, no, we don't need tongs for this one. What do we need? We need something that we could stir in. So, now generally you can put these in the oven, toast them up, roast them, whatever you want to call. I like to just do it over the pan, kind of keep it simple and quick. But basically, I used just a pinch of brown sugar, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Whenever I go into a restaurant and they tell me, oh, we have glazed or spiced pecans or this or that, it's nothing but brown sugar, a little bit of cayenne pepper, kind of offsets it. It's kind of like having an oatmeal cookie with a little bit of salt sprinkled on top. So just think of it that way. So lightly toasting these up, gonna let them caramelize a little bit. Really going to make a huge difference with our salad. So, next step.